Technology constantly advances, so what will replace the smartphone? That's the basis of this English conversation lesson. I buy smartphone, hello? It may give us a look into the future. Then again, it may not. Who can predict the future?
What comes after smartphones? As technology advances, several innovations could potentially replace smartphones in the coming years. One of the frontrunners is augmented reality glasses, which can overlay digital information onto the real world. Companies like Apple and Google are already investing in AR, with projections suggesting mainstream adoption could occur by 2025. Wearable devices, such as smartwatches or health monitors capable of making calls and accessing the internet, may also take over smartphone functions, particularly among health-conscious consumers. Voice-activated assistants could emerge as a primary interface, making interactions even more seamless. Moreover, flexible screens or holographic displays might offer more immersive experiences in everyday communication and entertainment. While it's challenging to pinpoint an exact timeline for these technologies to replace smartphones completely, many experts believe that by the late 2020s, we could see a significant shift away from traditional smartphones toward these innovative alternatives.
Enjoy communicating about topics such as I buy smartphone, hello? And receive helpful, relevant feedback to improve your English ability. Try any of the hundreds available at ArtisanEnglish.jp. See you online.